video?
So this is my roommate. She's a special kind of roommate. She's gonna tuck herself in. Come on, Tiff, we don't want to wait all day.
Gotta do like a king.
Tiffany, look at me. So does it work really well?
Like it's a bug in a rug.
That's a dead skunk.
I was like a dead skunk under a tie.
I'm sending this to your mom.